Good afternoon, Valparaiso. I'm meteorologist Karlin. Looking here at the current temperatures, you can see it's 57 degrees here in Valparaiso. Although it's a lot warmer to the south, those temperatures should be pushing our direction later this week, and I'll have more about that in our 5-day forecast coming up later. Look, Tuesday, 55 degrees, and Sunday. Same with Wednesday and Thursday. Really beautiful temperatures, and it should be warming up and keep the relatively warm temperatures the rest of the week. We might see a little bit of cooling on Thursday and Friday, but it should be relatively nice. Looking at this regional satellite and radar, you can see a big system pushing through our area. It's bringing a little bit of snow to us, but it's also bringing a lot more snow to the DC area. I'll let you know how much we can expect to get coming up. And here you can see the satellite image of that. You can see these clouds swirling around as a part of that system that is bringing that snow to our region. Right now we have 49 degrees with some partly cloudy skies. The clouds were here in the morning. They're going to be moving out as the day continues, as we've seen. Northeast winds at 15 miles an hour, so it's a bit breezy out there, making it feel a little colder than it actually is. Looking at the conditions all around the region, you can see it's 49 in Valpo, 58 clear over here in Peoria, but then again over in Fort Wayne, 39 degrees. So almost a 20-degree temperature difference as you go across the region. So we have some warmer temperatures pushing in this area. Looking at the radar, you can see a big band of rain that's bothering the eastern portion of Indiana and parts of Ohio. This is part of a much larger system that's down in the southeast right now. The radar is showing a big system that pushed through our area this weekend that brought us a lot of rainfall. Off to the west, you can see another big system that might be pushing into our region later this week. I'll have more about that coming up next. Good afternoon, Valparaiso. I'm meteorologist Karlin. As you can see, it's sunny and clear out here, but it's still a bit chilly. Those temperatures will be staying a little cool as we go into the night, may drop into the mid-30s or so. Tomorrow we should be warming up into the 60s, and then Wednesday through Friday we should be hitting the 70s. Clear skies are still in the forecast, beautiful sunny skies. Looking now at the current conditions, you can see it was absolutely gorgeous today. Only now are some clouds pushing into the area. These clouds will persist throughout the evening and into the early morning hours. But stay tuned after the break and I'll tell you what you can expect for the rest of the week. Stay tuned. But for the majority of the week, it should be really nice. Sunny skies and temperatures close to 60.
So I should get that garden ready right now?
Yeah, definitely. It'll be water for you this weekend.
Oh, good. All right. And we'll take it over to sports after we come back from the break.
Good afternoon, Valparaiso. I'm meteorologist Karlin. Looking at the current conditions in our region, you can see it's 55 outside, but it is very windy. Northwest winds of 25 miles an hour, so it's definitely hold on to your hats. It's blowing like crazy out there. But we do have sunny skies, so it is pretty nice except for the wind. The current temperatures around the region are showing a lot warmer temperatures to the south. You can see 65 in Champaign, 64 in Terre Haute, but that 57 is still lingering around the lakeshore. So it should be warming up in our region later this week. The radar is showing us the storms off to the east that pushed through our area this weekend. It brought us a ton of rainfall. However, off to the west, you can see another system that could be pushing into our region later this week, but I'll have more about that in just a second. The forecast for tonight, though, 33 degrees. It's going to be really chilly out there, but it's going to be mostly clear, which is going to allow for that cooling to happen. You don't have that cloud cover to keep you warm. The winds will be out of the northwest at about 10 miles per hour, so the wind should be dying down. The almanac for today, 57 and 46, right around average, a little above, little below, so it's right around average for this time of year. The forecast for tomorrow, when you wake up, 8 a.m., 42 degrees, some high clouds. Noon, it should be breezy and 52. Shouldn't get much warmer than 52, maybe around 55 total tomorrow. So it should be pretty sunny the whole day. The forecast for the rest of the week is showing mid-50s and even up to the 70s on Thursday and Friday, 75 on Friday, but that does come with some rain. Like I said, that's that system that should be pushing through our region later this week.